We are in beautiful part of the Ocala National Forest. We are staying at a campground called Rodman Dam Campground. It's in Palatka, Florida. It's beautiful, has boat ramps, and it has a canal nearby. This is my 12-volt refrigerator that I purchased on Amazon. I just cover it up with some reflectives to keep it a little cooler. Reflect this on the window. And I have a sink that I installed using a ceramic bowl and a USB charged water pump. I have it connected to two 2.5 gallon water jugs that I got at Walmart. One is for the fresh water and one is for the gray water. I also purchased this at IKEA. It's like a locker. It's metal, so magnets are now my new best friend. I have some containers in here. This is where I keep my cooking supplies, and here's the connection for the sink. It comes out to the gray water tank. I keep some silverware in here, food pantry, frying pans. It's great. It holds a lot of stuff. I also keep my small camp kitchen in here, which is to cook outside, that I use. This bench here folds down flat, and 2 people can fit and sleep there comfortably, maybe even with a small child and a dog. My 12-volt television with a DVD player so I can watch movies when I have no internet connection. Have a little covering over the back doors to keep the sun out. Some mood lighting inside. I purchased this awning on Amazon. Here's my little setup to keep the sun out. I have here in the back 2 ottomans that fit perfectly. They serve as storage and as additional seating. My fold down tables that I installed. I also have electricity. I installed a power supply, and also for the connection for the solar panels. I installed this ladder, roof rack. It's pretty comfortable inside. This is my Blue Eddy. Runs my refrigerator and anything I need to recharge. Some more reflectors in the back. It's a great little camper van. I hope to use it many, many, many times. And in the back doors for bug screening, all I did was purchase some curtains from Walmart and attach them. I attached them using tension rods. So I have one on the back, a set on the back, and a set on the side.